Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming headsets available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Beno G9000 stereo gaming headset for PS4, PC, Xbox, and more. This budget-friendly option is perfect for gamers looking to get into the action without breaking the bank. With 7.1 surround sound and 40mm drivers, it delivers immersive audio that punches well above its price point. The omnidirectional noise-canceling microphone is a nice touch, ensuring your team hears you loud and clear during intense gaming sessions. Its design is surprisingly solid for the price, featuring over-ear memory foam cushions that provide decent comfort for extended use. While the faux leather material may not match the durability of high-end models, it's good enough for casual gamers. Plus, the LED lighting on the ear cups adds a fun gaming vibe. However, the wired design means you're tethered to your setup, which might not suit everyone. Overall, the Beno G9000 delivers excellent value for its price. It's ideal for beginners or gamers on a tight budget who want decent audio and comfort for casual gaming. Just know you'll need an adapter for older Xbox One controllers. Pros: affordability, multi-platform compatibility, and solid sound quality. Cons: limited durability and wired connectivity. At number 4, we have the Gionee Captain 300 wireless gaming headset. This mid-range headset offers impressive wireless connectivity with 2.4 GHz lossless technology for ultra-low latency under 20 milliseconds, making it perfect for fast-paced games like Fortnite and Call of Duty. The 50mm drivers deliver stereo sound with enhanced details, helping you pinpoint enemy footsteps and environmental cues. Plus, it supports both Bluetooth 5.3 and wired connections for added flexibility. Comfort is where the Captain 300 stands out. Its padded, adjustable headband and breathable memory protein earmuffs make it suitable for long gaming sessions. With up to 40 hours of battery life, or 15 to 20 hours with RGB lighting, this headset is built to last through marathon gaming sessions. The detachable noise-canceling microphone ensures clear communication, and the sleek mirror surface design gives it an aesthetic edge. This headset is ideal for gamers who want versatility without spending a fortune. It's compatible with PS5, PC, Switch, and more. Though note that Xbox compatibility is limited to wired mode. Pros: long battery life, multi-platform support, and low-latency wireless performance. Cons: Xbox users may find the wired-only feature limiting. At number 3, we have the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 multi-system gaming headset. SteelSeries has a reputation for delivering premium gaming peripherals, and the Arctis Nova 1 is no exception. With its Nova acoustic system and hi-fi drivers, this headset provides best-in-class audio clarity, making every footstep and reload sound crystal clear. The 360-degree spatial audio enhances immersion, especially for PS5 users leveraging Tempest 3D audio. The design prioritizes comfort, featuring the Comfort Max system with height-adjustable ear cups, airweave cushions, and a lightweight frame. It's perfect for long gaming sessions without causing discomfort. The AI-powered noise-canceling microphone is a standout feature, filtering background noise with precision for clearer team communication. Plus, onboard controls make volume adjustments and muting a breeze. This headset is great for competitive gamers or anyone seeking stellar audio quality at a mid-range price point. It works across multiple platforms, including PC, PS5, Xbox, and Switch via a 3.5mm jack. Pros: exceptional sound quality, lightweight design, and advanced noise-canceling mic. Cons: wired-only connection, may not suit gamers looking for wireless freedom. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Razer Black Shark V2X gaming headset. Designed for competitive gaming, this headset delivers exceptional audio quality with its custom-tuned 50mm Triforce titanium drivers. These drivers divide sound into highs, mids, and lows for a brighter, clearer audio experience. The 7.1 surround sound adds positional accuracy, giving you an edge in tactical games like Valorant or Apex Legends. Comfort is another highlight, with breathable foam ear cushions and a lightweight design weighing just 240 grams. The hyperclear cardioid mic ensures your voice is heard clearly without background interference, thanks to its improved pickup pattern. Plus, with cross-platform compatibility via the 3.5mm jack, it works seamlessly with PC, PS4, PS5, and Switch. This headset is perfect for gamers who want competitive-grade audio with outgoing wireless. It's versatile, lightweight, and offers features that enhance performance at a reasonable price. Pros: superior sound drivers, lightweight build, and excellent noise isolation. Cons: software-enabled surround sound limited to Windows 10 users. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Corsair Void RGB Elite wireless gaming headset. This premium headset combines cutting-edge features with unmatched comfort, making it the ultimate choice for serious gamers. The 50mm high-density neodymium drivers deliver stunning sound clarity across a frequency range of 20 Hz to 30,000 Hz, letting you hear subtle details and thunderous explosions with equal precision. Comfort is paramount, with breathable microfiber mesh fabric and plush memory foam ear pads, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable during marathon gaming sessions. The low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless connection eliminates annoying lags, and the flip-up omnidirectional mic makes muting effortless. Plus, the aluminum yoke construction guarantees durability, so this headset can withstand years of use. Ideal for PC and PS5 gamers. The Void RGB Elite is perfect for those who want wireless freedom, premium sound quality, and long-lasting comfort. Pros: exceptional audio performance, durable build, and wireless connectivity. Cons: higher price tag and limited platform compatibility compared to budget options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.